I chose pharmacy because growing up, I always wanted to be in the healthcare field, providing patient care in whatever capacity. And so pharmacy was the route I decided to go with because not only are we the drug experts, but we're also the most accessible healthcare providers in any given community. And so I think that puts us at the right place to further educate and intervene, especially in underserved communities, which I'm very passionate about. And so pharmacy was the right fit for me. My name is Louise-Emma Sama. I was born and raised in Cameroon, West Africa, before moving to the US in 2018. I am a PY3 here at the Eshelman School of Pharmacy, and I am the president of Stomp. Stomp, which stands for Student Pharmacists Opioid Misuse Prevention Task Force, is a student-led organization which focuses on reducing opioid misuse, stigma, and overdose through education, community outreach, and interprofessional collaboration. We do a lot of Narcan trainings, so naloxone, which is a rescue drug for any opioid crisis or opioid overdose. We do naloxone kit making, so we can distribute to different rescue centers or recovery centers. And we also do a lot of educational sessions, so inviting guest speakers over so they can tell us about their programs that are related to the opioid crisis. And so as future pharmacists, we want to be at the front lines of addressing these opioid crises, especially here in North Carolina. Outside of school, I enjoy traveling and spending time with my friends and family. My friends and I especially, we love playing dress up so we can go to different restaurants and try different foods. And in terms of traveling, my goal is to eventually travel to all 50 states. I think I'm currently at 15, so I have a long way to go, but I believe I'm gonna do it. And then eventually go to every nook and cranny of the world I can possibly go to. After I graduate, I'm very interested in the drug development process and drug distribution. And so pursuing a career in the industry is probably where I would like to end up. But long term, I want to open pharmacies back home in Cameroon. So whatever route that takes me, I would be open to it.